Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn your pet image into human. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Ever imagined your pet with a human twist? The pet to human trend is shaking up social media, mixing creativity, humor, and AI magic. Whether for a fun makeover or a quickly profile pic, discover how you can transform your furry friend into a human-like figure with ChatGPT. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, you can just open your Google. You can search for ChatGPT. You can open the ChatGPT. You can just try. You can upload your pet picture by tap on the plus icon in here. You can choose photo from your library. For the example, I will choose this picture, my cat. So I have cat and I will turn my cat into a human. How does it look? Wait. Okay. This one. So here's the picture. Now you can create the prompt. Transform cat in this picture to human to human to human. Maybe you want to make it as a female or male. And you can send it. Now we can just wait it until it finish. It's getting started. The ChatGPT is processing your pet picture, turn into human. So we can just wait. And here you go. Here's the result. So here's your pet, and it transformed into human. It will turns out like this. It's so cute, right? Here's the cat. It turns into human. You can save it by tap and hold on the picture, and you can just download image. It's very cool, right? So that is how to turn your pet image into human. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.